And on to our continuing coverage of the CSU budget. The California State University system normally runs audits once every other year. Now they want to cut audits altogether. State of Events reporter Angela Musallam tells us why this move may be an excuse for the university to have ultimate discretion over finances.
In all 3 years, when we see budget cuts or changes, academic affairs gets the short end of the stick.
Faculty and students packed the Seven Hills Conference Center on campus as Dr. Howard Buncis gave them an inside look into what he says the CSU system
No longer believe public higher education is the public good.
The SFSU community hasn't been very happy with the tuition hikes, teacher layoffs, and class reductions.
So it's just really frustrating to see these professors that do so much good work being threatened to lose their jobs.
Some classes are so impacted, teachers now put a cap on how many students they let in. Like this psychology class, which went down from about 750 to just over 700 students. Leroy Morishita says it's because of the
budget cuts from the state, and we didn't have the funds to provide for all those students.
But Dr. Buncis says that's not true.
CSU and SFSU are not broke. They have the resources to commit to the core academic mission, but they're not.
In fact, he has a 78-page document indicating SF state officials spent more on its administrators than the classroom. The column on the right shows academic affairs decreased in its budget, while the executive department saw a whopping 11% increase. I asked Leroy to verify if the numbers were accurate. He said he'd get back to us.
Meanwhile, students feel they need to bind together with their professors and take action against tuition hikes and faculty layoffs. There will be a strike this week on 19th Avenue, followed by a rally at Malcolm X Plaza at noon. SF State students and faculty will then march over to City College. We will have the full story for you next week.